Tell everybody what we're going to make.
We're gonna make bird seed.
No.
We're gonna make laundry bird feed.
We're going to make homemade laundry detergent. And I got this recipe right here. Bless you. We've got a cup of salt, cup of Epsom salt, 3 cups of washing soda, 3 cups of baking soda. No, ma'am. And 25 to 30 drops of essential oil. In this case, we're going to do lemon and lavender.
Yep, lemon and lavender and soup.
Yep. All right, let's start it up here. First things first is we have 1 cup of salt.
That pour in there.
And okay.
The pour in.
Yep, put it in the pan. Okay, you see that? I'll get you a cup of Epsom salt. Okay, there you go.
By the hand cheese grater is good.
Now we'll do 3 cups of washing soda.
Yep.
Okay, there's 1. Thank you.
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 11, 12.
2.
2.
Amazon. Where's he at? Huh? Where's he at, Bentley? We're gonna see him. See you later, Amazon. Okay, back to the homemade detergent. All right. What number was this?
4.
No, that was 2.
2. I'll do it.
I got it, honey. Hold on. All right.
I
There's
got
3. Go ahead. Now we need 15 drops of.
Pat, put in there.
No, I'm gonna do this part. 15 drops of lemon. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 13, 14, 15. Okay. There's the lemon. And it's very important is you get the therapeutic grade essential oils. Don't go to the candle section and think that that essential oil is going to work, because Lord, that's potpourri. 1, 2, 3. A little bit of extra lavender. I like lavender.
I like lavender too.
Okay. Yep. Just here you go. Let me help you stir it up.
I got it. I got it, Dad.
Why you look so confused, Levi?
It's not liquid.
No, it's a dry laundry detergent.
Dad, let me.
Oh, that's strong.
Oh yeah. We got this glass jar that we will fill so we can start using it in the laundry room.
Me, Dad.
I'm excited to see how this recipe works.
Let me do it, Dad.
Okay. asked Levi to make us a wooden scoop so we can put it in our jar and scoop it out. And very simple.
I saw him dubbing a GoPro girl.
What about the call?
Okay.
Can I hold a GoPro?
No, ready? Smell. Ready? Smells pretty good.
It felt pretty good.
All right.
I'm gonna be a GoPro girl.
Yo, I'm not going to use a whole lot. I'm just going to do 2 tablespoons. And we'll get some clothes in here and try it and see what we got.